Hello, this is Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer of Finance and Banking, Milestone College. Today, I am going to start my lesson with payback period methods. This is the lecture number 5 of capital budgeting chapters. Let's go start my class. Formula and application of capital budgeting techniques. Number 1, payback period. 2. Discounted payback period. 3. Average rate of return. 4. Net present value. 5. Internal rate of return. And 6. Profitability index. Today I will discuss only payback period methods. Payback period method is a simple and very popular method. PBP means that the amount of time it takes to recover our initial investment. This method has some disadvantages. Number 1, this method do not consider time value of money. Another problem is do not consider scrap value of an assets. Calculation methods of payback period. There are two formulas of payback period. One for even or uniform cash flows, another is for uneven and variable cash flows. For uniform cash flows means the expected income or return of an investment will constant each year. Formulas: PVP equal initial investment divided by periodic cash inflow. Here, initial investment means our invested capital or fund, and periodic cash inflow means return from our investment in every year. We also calculate a payback period using timeline. Here is an example of a PBP for even cash flows. We calculate PBP using timeline. Dear students, look at the timeline of this project. Year number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means project lifetime is 5 years. 0 year means today's investment. That means NCO are negative figure taka 2 lakhs, that spending our capital taka 2 lakhs, and generates cash inflow in first year taka 50,000, second year taka 50,000, third year taka 50,000, fourth year taka 50,000, and also fifth year taka 50,000. That means this problem is even cash flows because all cash inflows are equal. Now we accumulated our cash inflows to initial investment 2 lakhs. Cumulative cash inflow for first year are same 50,000. Second year we add second year with 50,000, that will taka 1 lakh, and third year cumulative cash flow will be taka 1,50,000, and fourth year cumulative cash flow will be taka 2 lakhs, and fifth year cumulative cash flow will be taka 2,50,000. We need taka 2 lakh to recover our initial investment because our initial investment is taka 2 lakhs. So the project payback period is 4 years because after 4 years we will recover our initial investment taka 2 lakhs. A. Payback period or PBP equal 4 years. B. Accept or reject decisions. This project profitable or non-profitable? Here we accept or reject some conditions. 1. PBP less than project life, that will be accepted these projects. Another, PBP greater than project life, that will be rejected these projects. Here we can see that PBP is 4 years and project life 5 years. That means PBP less than project life, so accept. So this project should be accepted. We also calculate surplus life. Surplus life equal project lifetime minus PBP. Project lifetime 5 years and PBP 4 years equal to 1 year. And also we calculate payback reciprocal. It means payback results will be percentage. Formula is 1 divided by PBP into 100. That means 1 divided by 4 into 100 equal 25%. This is the method of timeline for even cash flows. We also another example for uneven cash flows, and we calculate payback period using timeline. Dear student, look at the timeline. Year 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means project lifetime is 5 years. NCO also taka 2 lakhs. That means initial investments taka 2 lakhs. And cash inflows generates by first year taka 80,000, second year taka 60,000, third year taka 50,000, fourth year taka 55,000, and fifth year taka 70,000. Dear students, look at the timeline. Here cash inflows are not equal. That various variable cash inflow, that means this is a uneven cash flows timeline. Now we accumulate all cash inflows recovery to our initial investments. Cumulative cash inflows for first year taka 80,000, second year taka 1,40,000. We add 80,000 and 60,000 will be taka 1,40,000. Third year it will be টাকা 1,90,000. Fourth year, it will be টাকা 2,45,000. And fifth year, it will be টাকা 3,15,000. In this problem, our cash outflow or initial investment টাকা 2 lakhs, but cumulative cash inflow are not equal of 2 lakhs any 1 year. Number 3 year, it টাকা 1,90,000, but 4 year, it টাকা 2,45,000. 3 year and 4 year middle point are stayed payback period. So full year is টাকা 1,90,000 and payback period located here. Before 4 year, after 3rd year. So we calculate payback period 3. Here 3 years are full year and also plus amount left to recover our NCO, and left amount will be 2 lakhs minus 1,90,000 and divided by cash flow next year. Next year means 4th year. 4th year cash flow টাকা 55,000. That means divided টাকা 55,000. It will be 3.18 years. 3.18 years situated or located after 3rd year, before 4th year. Now accept or reject decisions. Project lifetime is greater than PBP, then we will accept the project. Another PBP greater than project lifetime, that will be reject the project. Here PBP 3.18 years and project lifetime 5 years. So this project should be accepted. Surplus life 5 years minus 1.18 5 years minus 3.18 equal 1.82 years. And also payback reciprocal equal 1 divided by PBP, that means 1 divided by 3.18 into 100 equals to 31.45%. Dear students, I hope you are all understood timeline methods.